space you think can accommodate 2 or 3 ponds, you may use it to start. Number 2, construct ponds. You need to engage the services of experts, engineers, or even architects to make sure you get a solid pond constructed for your fish farm business. The plumbing work must be properly done to ensure proper drainage, so that when you evacuate the water, there will be no waste left over in the pond, which will eventually pollute the water within a short period of time. Number 3, adequate water supply. Water supply is very necessary because water is the lifeblood of fish farm, and lack of it may result in disaster, because water needs to be changed on a regular interval for the fish to survive. Naturally, available sources of water such as borehole and river water are the most suitable for fish farming. Rainwater and tap water from the chemically treated sources is not recommended for fish cultivation. Number 4, install overhead tank. This is the water reservoir from which water is supplied to your ponds. This tank has to be connected to your pond through the plumbing system to make it more convenient for the water to flow into your ponds when needed. Number 5, get the right juvenile fish. Get your juvenile fish from another farm that specializes in supplying and breeding. You need to go for the high yield species of catfish or tilapia, and make sure you are getting it from a healthy farm. Healthy juvenile will give you outstanding results and will grow faster within short period of time. Healthy juvenile also, they will also give you a very good weight during harvest. Number 6, get training. Training is very important in every business you want to go in for. You need to get attached to a fish farm for a proper apprenticeship. For you to properly learn this trade, you need at least 2 months training on it. Remember that your investment is at stake, and trial and error is not good in business except you have unlimited funds to experiment with. This is the Poultry Side TV, where you get up-to-date information on how to run a profitable livestock and poultry agri-business. You are highly welcome to the channel. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, look for the subscription button and click subscribe. Once you subscribe to this channel, you get unlimited notification of any of our training and upcoming videos. If you find this topic very interesting, Please kindly share the link to your friends, groups, and other platforms you belong to help one farmer or the other to get the right knowledge on how to run their agri business profitably.